A new career opportunity announcement from Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace. The Camargo Club, a traditional understated multi-generational family club, is seeking a general manager to replace its current well-respected leader, who will be retiring at the end of this year. Founded in 1925, the Camargo Club is a prestigious private country club located in Indian Hill, a quiet and upscale suburb northeast of Cincinnati, Ohio. The club features a tree-lined, Seth Raynor-designed 18-hole course that is consistently ranked among the top courses nationally for its timeless design, intimacy, and commitment to tradition. Beyond golf, the Camargo Club offers a variety of family-focused amenities, including an outdoor swimming pool, tennis, paddle tennis, and pickleball courts, a fitness center, a golf training facility, and multiple dining options. Salary is open and commensurate with qualifications and experience. For a complete position profile and application instructions, consult the Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace website under current openings.